Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 27. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 3, no help here. 1, 2, 3, 3 here, so 1, 2. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 6. 4 here, so 6, 7, and no help here. 4, 6, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, and a 1 here, so this is our 6, and that 3 and 8 means this is our 1. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 6. I don't see any help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. Got a 1 here, so 2, 6. So if our 1 can't be here or here, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 3, 6. 3 and 5 here, so 2, 6. And no help here. 2, 3, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 9. No help here. 2, 5, 6, 9. 9 here, so 2, 5, 6. 5 here, so 2, 6, 9. 5 here and 9 here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 2. 8 and 9 here, so that's our 4. 8 here, 9, 8. This 2 makes this our 6. 6 makes this our 7. 6 and 7 makes this our 4. 2 and 6 makes this our 9. Let's do some cleanup here. We can get rid of the 6 and 9. 6 here. Oh, that 4 makes this our 6. Anything else? Nope, not yet. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 3. 1 and 3 here, so this is our 5. And no help here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. 5 here, so 2, 6. No help here. 2, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here. So 1, 2, 7. 1 here. So 2, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 6. No help here. 2, 3, 4, 6. 4 and 6 here, so 2, 3. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 5. And no help, so 1, 2, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 7. No help, so 1, 2, 6, 7. And for this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, 7. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 3, 7. So now we need to dig in and see what we can figure out. Looks like in this box, the only place our 5 can be is here. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. 2 makes this our 3. The 2 and 3 make this our 1. So we'll do some cleanup, get rid of this 5. This 3 makes this our 1 and 3. So we can get rid of this 3, this 1. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3 and this 3 and this 3. That 1 makes this our 2, 7, 1. That 2 makes this our 6. 7 makes this our 2. 2 and 6 makes this our 7. That 2, oh, we've made a mistake somewhere. All right. If you saw where I made a mistake, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.